back to the channel, Ya Kookz. Today on the Van Kookz channel, we are going to show you the best, hands down, mattress for van life. We've done van life for over 6 years, and we wouldn't do it any other way. What you do is you measure, you get on the phone, and you tell them your measurements, and it gets delivered to your doorstep. The Deluxe Sofa Mattress with the memory gel foam. And it's from Mattress Insider, so like we said, you just give them your measurements and talk to them on the phone, tell them your delivery address, and it shows up at your door. And the thing about Mattress Insider is they will do custom shapes, like anything that you need, they can make it. So if you are not a seamstress and you're doing this van build and you want it done and make it look real nice, these people are your people, and there is an affiliate link down in the description. So go ahead and click that. It helps us for showing you this magical thing that just shows up at your door. And it also helps you, I think, to get a nice little Kookz discount. So check it out. The thing with the mattresses from Amazon is they come wrapped up like this, and then you have to cut them, and then you have to make a cover for them. This just comes with the cover and everything, no mess. You spend less time building and more time out on the road. So if you follow the Kookz at all, you know that we are health freaks, health Kookz, and that includes the air we breathe, everything. So a lot of the mattresses off gas, and we went with Mattress Insider because they are made in the USA. They use non-toxic, they use organic cotton. So it's very important in such a tiny space that you have something that isn't off-gassing some toxic fumes. So that is one huge reason why we recommend this stuff, like this Mattress Insider, like no other, because they go through all of it and make sure that it is not toxic to you and that you have a good experience. They use some really nice quality materials. So let's get this thing unwrapped. They make all these cuts, so this cut is going to go where the doors come out. So that's something that you would have to do, and you would have to make the mattress cover for that. So this is already done for you. It's easily unzipped so you can wash it. All you got to do is put your sheet on and get to sleeping good. So the customer service with Mattress Insider is the best. We've called them multiple times, kind of changing up our plans, and they rolled with it the entire time. Now is the moment of truth. We have all of our cuts that we measured out for them. They look pretty spot on. So we're gonna see how it fits. It's in, and that's the easiest van mattress I've ever done. Usually I'm sewing for like a whole day and cutting for a whole another day. So this mattress starts around like what they cost on Amazon for you to cut them yourselves. So it is well worth the money. Like this curve, we have a different measurement here than we do in the back because the van curves, and it fits perfect. Like it fits so tight. It's so perfect. The mattress is in, it's comfortable, it's still rising. The really cool thing about Mattress Insider is, and this is really big for van life, we have the slats because a lot of moisture can get under your mattress and mold out your mattress and ruin your mattress, and then you have to spend another $300, $400 on a new mattress and then recut it and do all that stuff. But they have moisture barriers that they can also sell at your dimensions. The dimensions can go up to a 10 by 10 bed. They really make everything custom to size. Like I said, it's made in Colorado, made in the USA, and they are very good about using non-toxic materials, which is huge for us. I know we've mentioned it a couple of times. It's huge in a small space. You don't want to be breathing in toxic fumes. They have free shipping. Mattresses start at $299 and go up from there, which is basically what it costs to get one on Amazon. It's about $200 to $300 to get one on Amazon, so why not have someone fit it out for you? It's so much easier. Free shipping, just like Amazon. They also have a 121-day sleep right warranty. You know, if you like it, don't like it, you can let them know, and they want to make it right. They have all different types of mattress foams that you can choose from for your sleeping preference. I recommend Mattress Insider 10 out of 10 times. I wish I could go back into the past and all the vans we've built use Mattress Insider. I had no idea they existed, and now I want you guys to know they exist so you don't feel left out, because This company is awesome. I am so jealous. I want one for my bed now because it is very comfortable. This is, I think we got the 4-inch just because we wanted to make sure that the client could sit in here without bumping her head. So they do it to whatever preference that you want. Your sleeping preference, you want it hard, you want it soft. You just talk to them for 20 minutes and they get you your perfect match. Alright, Kooks, I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you click the affiliate link and save yourself a bunch of time and a bunch of money and a bunch of headache by just having someone else do it for you. It is not that much more expensive, free shipping, all the good stuff. So thanks for watching, Kooks. We will see you next time, and say what's up in the comments because we've missed you guys. Peace out.